So here's the Drexel in work, where it can work in a really tight area and be able to pull out. And then so what happens is this will go up really high, and by being able to put something away in a tight space, you can maximize your storage. And then by bringing it down, you're able to come over and then be able to lower it down. And then the nice thing about the Drexel, when it comes out, the size of it is very compact, so you can maximize your storage and be able to do high density storage. So you can have products in the aisle to be able to put away. And then when he comes out, you can see how narrow these areas are. And they can have the ability to be able to come out and do a narrow aisle stack turn. By being able to have the wire on the truck, and then here the truck moves to the side. And with simple hand controls, he's able to then be able to angle the pallet with the fingertip controls. And having the tablet on it makes it really easy to drive the pallet in, and then being able to come out. And then with a simple move of the truck, by backing a couple inches, then he turns the whole pallet and he brings it down. And by doing this, they're able to fit what they're looking for by having the racking be back to back, 42 inches with 48-inch pallets. So there's 8 feet and here's 6 feet. There's 8 feet and there's 6 feet. And you multiply that all the way down, then all of a sudden you can see what pure density is when you get to 60% storage to 65% storage.